Hi there, welcome back. In our previous section, we have to completed all of this data like about the course details, right? This data will be static, and all of this we will separated by the code appropriately. So here, actually, lot of task in these pages. Actually, this is the course details page, right? And we just focus of our live URL. And here, this is our live project. Look at that. This is the part. Each and every section will be dynamic. So better step by step. All of this we will be managed. Okay, lots of thing. Actually, reviews setting, or actually look at that. This is the course intro and etc. Also, as well as price add to cart. We just not about the functionality to the cart yet. So yeah, after completed these pages, we also jump to the wish list as well as the cart functionality. So now here we just try first of all here this is the portion. Okay, so now go to the BS code and should take action. Here is our index.blade.php of the course details page. Okay, so look at that. Here is see the course details.breadcrumb. So just jump to the breadcrumb, and here, so this is the area. First of all, we will manage to make it dynamic. Okay, so first of all, here was our Fontaine dashboard controller. Okay, and this Fontaine dashboard controller, look at that here. Just pass nothing. Okay, just only course details index page. Okay, better. Here, look at that. This is the slug. So we just picked up. So first of all, put the query course here. Course. Where actually database name is course name slug. This was our field name. Okay, and just put the slug also. As well as we just turn for the width. So relationship one to one or one to many or others. I just show you. Previously we already done it, this type of relationship. I hope you will be clear. If any doubt of this, please comment below, and I will try to answer as soon as possible. And here, so just go to our, if you see this, and here I also make this category, subcategory, user, also all of this relationship in previously. Okay, I hope you will be clear. Thanks you. So pass the course, and now just data will be passed in compact. This is our course. Fine. And now this is our breadcrumb, right? Okay. So better. This is the development static data. We just wrap for the second bracket, and also course, and will be the category. And this category, actually we just put the category name of this course. Okay, fine. And here is the Java, so static data. So better here is the put in subcategory. So I hope you will be understand so what the benefit of this one to one or one to many relationship. So course, fine. Here will be the subcategory. Perfect. And just put the name. This the first section will be complete. And now here is the Java program masterclass for software development. So here is the actually course name. just course plus to course name. Okay, and then and the last and the next wrapping into the p tab, it will be the course title. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. Now here is the see the bestseller. We don't need to bestseller. Already you know that. We just make it back in for the course level, actually course. Here is the course level. Okay. Okay. After just going and previous after later also makes rating will be dynamic. So but now at this time here is the created, this is our instructor name. Okay, so just everything will be dynamic, don't worry, just keep patient, step by step I manage it. Course, it should be user and name, actually because of that role will be instructor, right? Okay, and here last updated. Okay, and so there last updated to January 2021. This type of shape we need to some, yeah, just I show you, just I make some tricks, and here will be just put in carbon, and here the carbon be parts course, updated it, and format will be no date if why. Okay, so okay, and now this other thing will be Weasley share and report. I hope that in this time it will be done at this time. After later we also just keep change, but go to browser and check it. Now just keep reload your browser. Just keep patient because of that some image will be missing. And look at this Laravel 11 build a complete LMS learning management system step by step. Laravel 1 build is crash. This is the beginner course. Fine. Created by Josh Potila. That's also fine. And there's a look at that last update is 17 March 2025. Fine. And just to move this and check this another time. Here is another courses will be the business. So just go to our business. Just keep patient because of that. I have already said that here is some static images is skip our time delay, and you just go to the inspect and see this a lot of console.log, and here is this resource will not found. When resource will not found properly, that's caused the issue for this loading time. Okay, so don't worry, here is this is all of this broken now. But after that I step by step I manage all is and everything, all of this will be dynamic. And here look at this home business all business, this is the category and this is also the subcategory, and this is the course name and is the course title also as this is the course level and also of this instructor name. Perfect, perfect. And this is the breadcrumb will be dynamic. Okay friend, and now look at this. After next video I will manage how to actually this is the learn procedure, and you already knows that how where comes the learn actually. Learns comes from the backend course goal. Okay, I just also said that this is the course, and now this is the our instructor dashboard, and this instructor dashboard here, this is the course goal. Okay, and here this is the course goal, and this course goal actually I will place in here. What we will learn actually place in here. Okay, in our next video I will make it dynamic step by step. So thanks for this, and if you like this video, please subscribe of my channel, and also share of your friend also if you think this is the valuable content. Okay, and also I have mentioned all of the source code. You will be check in GitHub repo for this description of this video description actually. Okay, thank you so much.